This is the inside of a Joy-Con once you open it. Have a look at this piece. That's what it does. So when you move these little triggers move it, and they're very sensitive. This is a spring, and then inside the spring there's a little ring. So to put it back, just put that there, and then this goes on top like that, and then the whole thing goes over like this, click, and then goes on. However, it is very, very hard to remove because you can see that these clips here are bent this way, holding on to the plastic, and you'll notice that when you try to open it, it's very fragile and it will snap. So once it snaps, it's all over. So what do? The best thing to do is to buy a replacement one, and you'll be able to find plenty of these on Amazon and eBay. They're like $5, range from $5 Australian to $15. Just depends on who you buy it from. Some people say this is the original, this is the original, and I think they're all pretty much the same. Now have a look at this circuitry here. You'll notice, that the black bits, they're not gold. It's some sort of graphite. I don't know what it is. Sorry. I give up. It's some sort of graphite. And yeah. So the metal bits over here, they touch it and then it creates conductivity somehow, I would assume. Okay, so let's say you screwed up, you opened it. What do? You buy a new one, and the new one comes in a little packet like this, and then you just replace it. Let's have a look at the Joy-Con. Hopefully it won't go everywhere when I bring it up to the camera. So when you open it, you will need a screwdriver that you can open it with. It looks like this when it's in focus. There are little ribbons and everything, but more importantly, you will be able to open up this part here, this compartment here. And then the Joy-Con sits over there where the hole is. There's lots of instructions on how to plug and unplug and do all that on the internet. So what do you need? You will need this screwdriver. It's a tri-head one, Y000, and this is the measurement on it. You'll need this, 1.5 by 225 millimeters. Ideally, you will have one of these ones, just a really small Phillips screwdriver. You can use like anything like these. It's all the same, similar, just small ones. The screws look like this. They're very, very, very tiny. and if you've looked at it, you'll see that the black ones on the outside are tri-wings and the inside ones are Phillip heads. So basically just buy 2 of these screwdrivers. eBay, Amazon, all over the place. You can even open your iPhone with those ones. And you will need this, some sort of prying mechanism, because the battery, which is over here, has a little bit of tape on it, so you can't, like, so it won't fall out. Some of the things that I've experienced when trying to open this, if you're not trying to open this piece, is actually a really easy process. A lot of videos I've seen, or some videos rather, they teach you to remove the side ribbons here. Totally unnecessary. Just open it and then flip it open. iFixit has a video that shows you exactly how to do it. But what they don't show is that when you open this middle compartment here, the ribbon is like really short. See that? I can't move that anymore. So when you open it, the best thing to do is to lift it up a little bit, then turn it, and then do it like that. So, but just be careful, because you can't actually flip it that easily. You kind of have to go at an angle. If see that? It's got to go at an angle, because otherwise you'll just snap the ribbon, and then goodbye. You won't be able to find those easily on eBay. The controllers are all over the place though. One other thing is, you'll probably want one of these. It's like you can use a spudger, but these cheap ones you can get them from Daiso or any Asian place, and it's for like picking your ears. But you can use it to unlock the little controls that are here to release the ribbon. Very easy to use. I used this to remove the battery, and it was just a few little pries. If you use this to remove the battery, you might squeeze too hard and snip the cable. You don't want to do that. Do not use metal tweezers to pull on the ribbons. You'll probably either cut the ribbon connection if you're holding too hard, or you will cause some sort of scratch on it, and game over there as well. Alright, any questions, give me a comment and I will try to answer them as best as I can. This is the first time I've ever opened this, and honestly it wasn't that hard. It really is just like a tiny computer. So here's a video of what it looks like on the inside. Oh yeah, one extra tip. See this piece, this button? That flies out because there's a spring attached to it. If it comes off, you can put it back on, but don't lose that tiny spring. There's a little spring. Don't know if you can see. Probably not. But yeah, there's a little spring there, so just be careful. The only spring that you'll see is this one here, only if you open this, which I don't recommend, and that tiny spring. So just be careful. Alright, good luck everyone.